IMS ISO 9001 2015, ISO 14001 2026 and ISO 45001 2018. Consultancy, implementation, training and certification support. Presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, we will discuss one of the most effective business management approaches adopted by organizations worldwide. The Integrated Management System IMS, based on ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 2026 Environmental Management System and ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Organizations today face increasing expectations from customers, regulators, employees and stakeholders. They must consistently deliver quality products and services, protect the environment, ensure employee safety and comply with applicable legal requirements. Managing these areas through separate systems can be inefficient, whereas an integrated management system combines them into one streamlined framework. By the end of this video, you will understand what an integrated management system is, why organizations implement IMS, the key requirements of ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001, benefits of integration, the implementation process, the certification process, how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can support your organization. Let us begin. What is an integrated management system? An integrated management system is a single management framework that combines multiple ISO management standards into one coordinated system. Rather than maintaining separate documentation, audits, objectives, and management reviews for each standard, organizations integrate common requirements into a unified system. The three most commonly integrated standards are ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System QMS, ISO 14001 2026 Environmental Management System EMS, ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System OHMS. These standards share the high level structure HLS, making integration practical and efficient. An IMS enables organizations to improve quality, environmental performance, and occupational health and safety while reducing duplication of effort. Why should organizations implement IMS? Organizations today face multiple challenges: rising customer expectations, increasing environmental regulations, workplace safety requirements, global competition, sustainability goals, cost pressures. Implementing separate systems often results in duplicate documentation, multiple audits, increased administrative work, higher implementation costs, and integrated management systems eliminates these issues by creating one unified management framework. Benefits include improved operational efficiency, better resource utilization, reduced business risks, improved compliance, enhanced customer confidence, simplified certification audits, control improvement. Understanding ISO 9001 2015. ISO 9001 focuses on consistently providing products and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements. Its key principles include customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision making, relationship management. Organizations implementing ISO 9001 experience higher customer satisfaction, better process control, reduced defects, increased productivity, improved supplier performance, stronger market reputation. Understanding ISO 14001 2026. ISO 14001 provides a structured framework for managing environmental responsibilities. The objectives include preventing pollution, conserving natural resources, reducing waste, managing environmental impacts, improving environmental performance, meeting environmental compliance obligations. Typical environmental aspects include electricity consumption, water usage, air emissions, waste generation, chemical handling, noise, fuel consumption. ISO 14001 supports sustainability initiatives and strengthens environmental stewardship. Understanding of ISO 45001 2018. ISO 45001 focuses on protecting employees, contractors, and visitors by creating safe and healthy workplaces. Key elements include hazard identification, risk assessment, legal compliance, worker participation, emergency preparedness, incident investigation, operational controls, control improvement. Benefits include fewer workplace accidents, reduced downtime, improved employee morale, lower insurance costs, stronger legal compliance, enhanced organizational reputation. Common requirements across all three standards. Because all three standards follow the high level structure, they share common clauses. Clause 4, context of the organization, understanding internal and external issues, interested parties, and defining the scope of the management system. Clause 5, leadership, top management demonstrates commitment, establishes policies, assigns responsibilities, and promotes control improvement. Clause 6, planning, organizations identify risks and opportunities, establish objectives, and develop action plans. Clause 7, support, providing competent personnel, awareness, communication, resources, and documented information. Clause 8, operation, planning and controlling operational processes to achieve intended outcomes. Clause 9, performance evaluation, monitoring, measuring, analyzing, internal auditing, and conducting management reviews. Clause 10, improvement, addressing non-conformities, implementing corrective actions, and controlling improving system performance. This common structure makes integration straightforward and efficient. Now IMS implementation process. Let us see this. Implementing an integrated management system generally involves the following steps. Step 1, gap assessment to compare existing practices with ISO requirements. Step 2, identify organizational context, interested parties, risks, opportunities, environmental aspects, and OH&S hazards. Step 3, develop integrated documentation including policies, procedures, work instructions, forms, and records. Step 4, conduct awareness and internal auditor training for employees. Step 5, implement documented process across departments. Step 6, monitor process performance and establish key performance indicators. Step 7, conduct internal audits to verify conformity and effectiveness. Step 8, hold management review meetings to evaluate system performance and identify improvement opportunities. Step 9, undergo stage 1 and stage 2 certification audits by an accredited certification body. Then step 10 is last step, maintain the system through surveillance audits and control improvement. Now industries that benefit from IMS. An integrated management system is suitable for organizations of all sizes and sectors, including manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, engineering, construction, steel and metal, cement, chemical and petrochemical, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, textile, packaging, renewable energy, data centers, logistics and warehousing, healthcare, educational institutions, hospitality, government organizations, service industries, MSMEs. Regardless of industry, IMS helps organizations improve efficiency, reduce risks, and achieve sustainable growth. Now, how URGS can support your organization? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide complete support for IMS implementation and certification. Our services include IMS gap assessment, consultancy and implementation, documentation development, awareness training, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, risk assessment support, environmental aspect and impact assessment, SHIRA, hazard identification and risk assessment, internal audits, pre-certification assessment, certification coordination, surveillance audit support. Our experienced consultants have supported organizations across diverse industries in achieving certification and operational excellence. At last, conclusion and call to action. An integrated management system is more than a certification. Please keep this in mind. It is a strategic framework that helps organizations improve quality, protect the environment, ensure occupational health and safety, reduce risks, enhance compliance, and achieve control improvement. If your organization is planning to implement ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2026, and ISO 45001-2018 as an integrated management system, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with professional consultancy, implementation, training, and internal auditing. and certification assistance. Email us info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on ISO standards, management systems, auditing, quality, sustainability, inspection and certification. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping your organization achieve business excellence through an integrated management system.